Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right lower corner and tap on the camera icon. As you can see, right now we can decide. We can either take a photo, and after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here you have to decide where you want to complete the section, so you can use your own photos or Google Photos, which is basically just different app. The content is the same, so your images and photos. So now simply find the photo you'd like to use, and I will pick this one. Of course, give all the permissions, tap on OK, and as you can see from this step, you can adjust the size of this square. You can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted area, is responsible for it. So just position like you want to. You can rotate the picture here by using the switcher. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to this small circle, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, and this is our contact, which is right now saved with the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list, and for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.